Bro, in 2024, the road to success isn't a mystery. It's about seizing opportunities, daring to dream, and taking action. Money making isn't about luck. It's about strategy, persistence, and believing in your potential. But there is always an obstacle that most people face, and that's why you need to watch all to the end, because that ruins most people, their motivation. And that's the progress enemy, procrastination. Now, do yourself a favor by subscribing to this channel, cuz it is for your own good. There are a lot of trashy channel that just posts bunch of craps just for people to watch and to money out of your views. Most people, hold on, don't get me wrong, because most people make videos for the money and not for the impact. So support those who genuinely help you with this motivational content. Every day is a chance to rewrite your story, to create the life you envision. It's not about instant success, but the journey, bro, the small steps, the choices that pave the way to your goals. You see, success isn't confined to a select few. It's open to anyone willing to put in the effort. It's about mindset, seeing challenges as opportunities to grow, setbacks as lessons, and failures as stepping stones. Having a good life isn't just about wealth. It's about fulfillment, balance, and making a positive impact. It's about being financially secure but also emotionally rich, nurturing relationships, and finding joy in the little things. In 2024, the world offers endless possibilities. With determination and a clear vision, you can carve your path, innovate, and create value. Your success story is waiting to be written. It's time to pick up the pen and start. So, believe in yourself, work hard, and stay focused. Embrace the journey, learn from experiences, and let your success be a testament to your resilience and unwavering dedication. This year, make every moment count. Dare to dream big. Strive for excellence, and remember, success is not just about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the ride.